It is my birthday, man. October 11th today. OVO boys, you know what I'm saying, bro?
My parents just looked out for me and bought me a camera, bro. Yes, they got me a camera, bro. I'm very excited to get it.
New camera, man. No more iPhone. No more iPhone. This is probably the last iPhone video that I'm taking right now, but
We have the Sony Sony ZV-E10. This is dope though, I rock with it.
alright, y'all, so this is how we looking with the camera and the tripod setup. It's dope, man. What y'all think? YouTube, what is the deal, man? Please don't worry about my hair, bro. I'm freshly up. It is my birthday, man. October 11th today. OVO boys, you know what I'm saying, bro? Nah, man. Hey, let's get this hair together, bro. Let's go get a haircut. Watch how I do this shit. Boom! Told y'all magic, man. Come on, man. I'm back alive now. Woo! Let's go, man. Yes, sir. Hey, the grind don't stop. Just because it's my birthday don't mean I ain't gonna get no work in, you know what I'm saying? I just put up to the gym. Feel me, a big ring on right here. About to low-key hit the track, you know, get some little cardio in, you know. The grind don't stop, bro. If you really want to get to where you want to go, you gotta get up and go get it. I told y'all in the last vlog that I was gonna get on my stuff, and I'm on it today, bro. I'm at the gym on my birthday. Who else doing that? Probably a lot of people, but you know, this is my first time ever doing this, so I'm proud of myself right now. I'm geeked. It's starting off a good birthday so far. I got my hair cut. See my mom at the nail shop right near the barber shop where I got my hair cut, so I talked with her for a minute. You know, good vibes and everything. I'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm about to go get this work in. Peace out. What is the deal? Back again. Workout is finished. Man, I actually did more than I anticipated. I wanted to do a mile and a half. I did 2.29 miles, bro. And I ran for 41 minutes. So I was on the track 41 minutes, man. I ran 2 miles and a quarter, a little over a quarter. That's good work, man. That's good work. This is on the birthday. It's crazy. Good work on the birthday. But now I'm about to go pick up. Man, I just got a gift, bro. My parents just looked out for me and bought me a camera, bro. Yes, they got me a camera, bro. I'm very excited to get it. So I'm about to go to Best Buy right now, grab it, and then I'll show y'all. But iPhone, man, they held it down. They started the channel up. But now we about to level up onto the camera life, man. So let's go. But yeah, it's still my birthday. So it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, my B-Day, bro. It's cool B-Day, man. Guess who we brought to the channel, man? Shout out to my parents for blessing me with this new camera, man. No more iPhone. No more iPhone. This is probably the last iPhone video that I'm taking right now. But, yeah, man, we got a camera now. The Sony ZV-E10. I heard a lot of things about this on, you know, on TikTok and YouTube. I did my research. And then, yeah, I was like, you know, let's go with the ZV-E10, man. Why not? So, yeah, man, we gonna unbox it, and then we gonna see what all it comes with, all right?
What's good, YouTube? So, we have the Sony Sony ZV-E10. Yeah, man, this y'all hard, bro. I was so happy to have this, bro. This is the only gift I wanted for my birthday, bro. I wanted a new camera. I was tired of, like, doing it on my iPhone and all that stuff. I was like, bro, it's time to level up. And let's get real busy on this YouTube. You know what I'm saying, bro? We just unboxed it. Let me just show y'all what's in here, man. We got these, you register your Sony gear, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Lenses and accessories kit. We also have a warranty thing and the manual. Oh, yeah, okay. All right, this is the startup guide. I'm gonna keep that over here. All right, open the box. Okay, we're gonna take out the small things first. All right, first thing I'm opening up right now is this is the battery pack. A little battery pack right here. So that's first, you know. Okay, the next thing I'm opening up, another package. Oh, this is a wall adapter. USB. All right, so we got that. This little package. This is the wind something. This thing, the mic thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I definitely know this is gonna make me sound clearer too. Like, I be listening to my videos when I be finished with them, and then I be like, bro, my voice don't sound like, you know, crisp and all that, but Now I hope this will help me with that whole thing. So we gonna see how that goes. They got a oh nice. They added a lanyard. That's a nice touch. Okay, it's cool. Keep it around my neck for sure. And then charger thing. I don't know what. I think this is 3.0. I could be wrong. I really don't even. I'm not so sure. But USB though, like I showed y'all on the wall adapter. This must be the camera. Ooh. Cameras. That's pretty good. Ooh. Ooh, it's tough. Ooh. Hold on, bruh. Oh, this the little clip thing. Oh, snap. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. This is tough. Okay. Okay. This is hard, bro. All right, I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. Look at this lens, dude. Oh, that's so tough, bro. That's so tough. I don't know the dimensions and all that stuff, but I just love the look. 4K. ZV-E10. I like this little touch right here, these buttons. So it's like simple and everything to do. Up here you got the little regular controls. You know what I'm saying, on and off, record, and I'm actually not sure what those are, but I guess this is where the screen is gonna go. I ain't gonna apply it now, cause I still gotta do my TikTok video. This is dope though, I rock with it. It's nice. And then yeah, man, it's I love that lens. The lens is pretty dope as well. Yeah, it's tough, man, it's tough. Down here, oh, this to open the, oh, snap, it flip open. Okay, that's cool. This is where the battery pack going. I gotta charge that up first. Oh, wait, how do I, oh, there we go. That's quick, that's nice. Shoot, so yeah, this is how the camera looks. It looks dope, man. Let me put this screen back on so I don't mess this lens up. Man, for real, you gotta be careful with these things. So this thing cost, my mom gave me the receipt. She bought it for me for like my birthday and stuff. So when I looked at the receipt for my email to pick it up from Best Buy, I seen the price. It was $919 for this. For the camera set I just showed y'all, and this, I bought a bag for it too. We gonna get into that later. But I bought a bag for it. That was like $30-something. Oh, I bought this vlogging kit as well too after. No, so we got the whole little setup, you know? Yeah, we got the whole setup. I'm ready, let's go. But yeah, man, I got this a couple days later. This was 150. Yeah, 150. This totaled up because I think the I don't even remember what the camera was. It was something, but all this together was $919, so almost $1,000 basically. So, but I've been doing my research, man. It looks like, you know, it does what it gotta do. I did my research on YouTube, just, you know, trying to see what to expect from it. And then I also like got myself acquainted with it. So yeah, man, it's a dope camera, bro. I really can't wait to use it. I'm gonna charge it up now, actually. All right, y'all, so this is how we looking with the camera and the tripod setup. It's dope, man. What y'all think? I like it, bro. It's real clear. I gotta get the color grading stuff together, but yeah, man, other than that, I love it, bro. It's dope. How's the quality look? Yeah, that's dope. I see the screen. I can see myself recording too. This is dope, bro. Yeah, I'm happy, bro, because now I can see myself record. I got the flip screen out like this, so I can like see, you know, everything. But I like it. I feel like it's stabilized too. Oh yeah, it's crystal clear. Oh yeah, that's tough, man. That's tough. But yeah, man, but I just wanted to show y'all the footage on the camera. I gotta figure out the color grading stuff. I'm still working out the kinks to this camera, but right now though, it looks dope, man. I love it. Yeah, this is the in-camera footage, so yeah. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys think of the new footage. This should be, once I tweak up the settings, it's probably gonna look different, like the color grading style, because it looked kind of like dark, but I mean, it still looks great though. So I'm definitely still working out the kinks to everything. And And yeah, now my vlog's gonna have this camera quality. So yeah, man, what you guys think, man? I love it, bro. It's working steady for me. The mic, I gotta put the sound thing on the, I didn't put it on the camera, but once I do, I'm pretty sure I'll sound better too, because I don't know if the audio sounds messed up right now or anything, so. But yeah, we'll figure it out.
It's a dope camera, man. We're gonna wrap this back up so I can do my TikTok video. You know, content creator stuff. You know, content creating new way, man. We gotta get this money. Yeah, man, that's all that was in the box. Let's go over this bag real quick. All right, open the bag. Got a nice little attachment right here. So yeah, it's dope. And then you got plenty of pockets to where you can put, you know, SD cards and all that. But the tag is all in my face, my gosh. This is, you got little side pockets too. Plenty of storage in here, oh my God. Sheesh, I love it though. You're gonna have everything organized. Cards, you know what I'm saying, little adapters, whatever, another pocket. Yeah, this bag got it. And it's thick too, everything in here is thick. Yeah. You can attach it up like this. You can attach it up like that. Yeah, man, it's dope. I rock with it. So that's the one thing. That was the first thing I bought. As soon as I got the camera, that was the first thing I bought with it. That was like $34. Yeah, just about 34, something like that. And then, like I showed y'all earlier, this vlogging kit. Yeah, I got this a couple days ago. About $150. Yeah, man, it's gonna be dope, bro. I'm ready. I got a new camera, y'all. I got a new setup. You know how serious I've been, bro. This is all an investment, y'all. This is a straight up investment, bro. I'm about to do my thing with this YouTube, bro. Trust me. 3 years from now, I'm gonna rewind this clip. I'm just be like, dang, bro. And then I'm gonna be in a whole different, man, it's crazy, bro. I can only dream about it. But hey, dreams don't work until you put in the work behind it. So I'm just ready to put in the work. This is the new setup, so no more iPhone vlogging that I'm doing right now for a while. So yeah, man, I'm ready. But yeah, we're gonna close the video out right here, man. It's a quick little vlog, you know, just showing you guys my new camera. And yeah, man, once I get this all figured out, man, the quality is gonna be insane, bro. It's gonna be so much better. Oh my gosh, I'm ready, y'all. Are y'all ready? Cause I'm ready. All right then, let's do it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's the same day I did my last vlog right here. This vlog, this was when I put my first mod on my car, my new Dodge Durango. So yeah, man, yeah, we gonna clip it right there, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys are ready to see what I'm about to do with this camera. And yeah, let's get it.